Hello to you my gorgeous nail lovers. You're welcome back again to Nail Vibes, the channel as you always know that gives you the very best in nails fashion. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, depending on your time and location. And in case you're seeing this channel for the very first time or you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification so that whenever a new video is uploaded here, you will be the first to be notified. So my gorgeous ladies, as you can see in this video for today, I have the best compilations of new trendy summer nail art designs. Look at these nails, they look so good, so gorgeous and astonishing. You can practically rock these nails to any occasion of your choice. So as we are in the middle of the summer, which means there are many things to be done. So watch the video to pick the nails to make for every event that you will be attending in this summer. Like this video and also feel free to save it and share to your friends and loved ones. Thank you so much, as I'll be looking forward to seeing you again in my next video. Bye for now. Thank you for watching this video this far. Please do not forget to like and share the video and also give it a thumbs up. Thank you.